Did you know Penn students can help create sustainability coursework? No matter what their course of study, Penn students can help infuse principles of environmental sustainability into new and existing courses. As summer research fellows, both graduate and undergraduate students work directly with faculty to update or create new syllabi, lectures, assignments, texts, and exams that focus more directly on sustainability and environmental concepts. To date, more than 600 students have enrolled in the 60 courses that the Integrating Sustainability Across the Curriculum program has produced. These courses are in a diverse array of disciplines, including architecture, business, law, biology, engineering, urban planning, and languages. Visit Penn Sustainability online to discover all the ways you can get involved.